Speaking with Maybank, one of Malaysia's leading financial institutions. Established in 1960 by Khoo Teck Puat, Maybank has grown into one of the largest financial services group in Southeast Asia. Headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, the bank operates in more than 20 countries and offers a comprehensive range of conventional and Islamic banking products and services. Guided by its vision of humanizing financial service across Asia, Maybank is committed to delivering customer-focused, innovative, and sustainable financial solutions while supporting long-term
Next, I will
economic
present an overview of CIMB. CIMB Group is a leading financial services group headquartered in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It operates across several Asian countries and offers both conventional and Islamic banking service. CIMB is also recognized for its digital banking, innovation, and commitment to sustainable finance. Next, I will briefly explain the background of CIMB. CIMB's history began in 1924 with the establishment of Bayan Siang Bank in Sarawak. In 2006, following a major merger, CIMB Group Holdings Berhad was officially formed. Since then, CIMB has expanded across Asian countries, including Indonesia, Thailand, Singapore, Cambodia, and Vietnam. Today, CIMB offers a wide range of financial services, including consumer banking, investment banking, Islamic banking, and asset management, making it one of the leading banking groups in Southeast Asia. CIMB's vision is to be the leading Asian company. This reflects its commitment to strengthening its regional leadership by providing quality financial services, promoting financial inclusion, and supporting sustainable economic growth across Asia. CIMB's mission is to deliver customer-focused financial services, create sustainable value for stakeholders, empower communities through responsible banking, and foster a strong culture of integrity, teamwork, and professionalism. Next, I will present the housing loan products offered by Maybank and CIMB. This report compares the Maybank Maxi Home Flexi Loan and the CIMB Home Flexi Smart Eye to identify their key differences. For Maybank Maxi Home Flexi Loan, the interest rate starts from 3.9% per annum with a floating rate. The loan tenure is up to 35 years and the margin of finance is up to 19% of the property value. Meanwhile, CIMB Home Flexi Smart Eye offers a floating profit rate starting from 4.9% per annum, similar to Maybank. It provides a loan tenure of up to 35 years and financing of up to 19% of the property value. In conclusion, both housing loans offers the same maximum loan tenure and financing margin. However, the main difference is the interest of profit rate, where Maybank starts from 3.9% per annum, while CIMB starts from 4.9% per annum. Next, I will explain how we calculate the monthly payment for Maybank. First, we use Maybank's annual interest rate of 3.9% and convert it into the monthly interest rate using the equation of equivalency. Then we substitute the loan amount and the monthly interest rate into the monthly payment formula. Based on the calculation, the estimated monthly payment for Maybank per month. For CIMB, we use the same calculation method. The annual interest rate of 4.9% was converted into a monthly interest rate. After substituting the loan amount of 4,050 ringgit and the monthly interest rate into the formula, the estimated monthly payment is 2,211 ringgit 98 cents per month. In this financial analysis, we calculate the 40 interest payment for both the Maybank and CIMB hire purchase loan using retrospective formula shown on the slide. First, we calculate the outstanding balance after the 39th payment using the formula. For Maybank, the loan amount, the monthly interest rate, and the monthly installment. By substituting these values into the formula, we obtain an outstanding balance. Then, the 40 interest payment is calculated by multiplying this balance by monthly interest rate. For CIMB, we use the same formula with a monthly interest rate and a monthly installment. The outstanding balance after the 39th payment is the 39th payment. Multiplying this balance by the monthly interest rate gives the 40 interest payments. Next, the slide shows the calculation of the 50th principal repayment for both Maybank and CIMB hire purchase loans. The principal repayment is calculated using the formula where R is the monthly installment, V is the discount factor, N is the total number of payments, and T is the payment number. For Maybank, we substitute the monthly installment, the monthly interest rate, with 420 total payments and the 50 payment into the formula. The calculation gives a 50 principal repayment. For CIMB, we use the same formula with a monthly installment, a monthly interest rate. After substituting all the values, the 50 principal repayment is 504 ringgit 12 cents. From these results, Maybank has a higher principal repayment at the 50 payment compared to CIMB. This means a larger portion of the Maybank installment goes towards reducing the loan balance at this stage. Next, this slide represents the outstanding balance after 5 years of loan repayments, which is after the 16th payment. To calculate the outstanding balance, we use the prospective formula shown on the slide. Here, the total loan period is 420 months or 35 years, while T equals to 16T. 16 represents 5 years of payments. This means there are 360 monthly payments remaining. For Maybank, we substitute the monthly installment and the monthly interest rate into the formula, the outstanding balance after the 16 payments. For CIMB, we substitute the monthly installment and the monthly interest rate, the outstanding balance after the 60 payment. Compare both results. Maybank has a lower outstanding balance than CIMB after 5 years of repayments. This indicates that the remaining loan amount for Maybank is lower at this stage of the loan.
Next, we analyze the amortization schedule for both housing loans. The amortization schedule illustrates how each monthly repayment is divided into interest payment and principal repayment throughout the loan tenure. At the beginning of the repayment period, a larger portion of the monthly payment is allocated towards interest. As the loan progresses, the interest portion gradually decreases while the principal repayment increases, allowing the outstanding loan balance to reduce over time. So, based on our overall financial analysis, the Maybank Maxi Home Flexi Loan is selected as a better financing option. Compared to CIMB Home Flexi Smart I, Maybank offers a lower financing rate, resulting in lower monthly repayments and a lower outstanding balance. Therefore, it provides better affordability and helps reduce the borrower's long-term financial commitment. In conclusion, this project demonstrates the importance of comparing housing loan products before making a long-term financial commitment. By applying financial mathematics concepts, borrowers can evaluate different financing options and make informed financial decisions. Based on our analysis, the Maybank Maxi Home Flexi Loan is recommended as the most suitable housing loan for this case study. Thank you.